Did you speak at all? Did you speak at all? Can't you speak English? Can't you speak English? Are you all right? Are you all right? Why are you looking so sad? Why are you looking so sad? Can I see that one? Can I see that one? Has he come yet? Has he come yet? How is your dad? How is your dad? Can I eat this? Can I eat this? May I use your pen? May I use your pen? Which of them is your brother? Which of them is your brother? Could I park my car here? Could I park my car here? Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? Do you want money? Do you want money? When is school over? When is school over? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? How long will it take? How long will it take? What is over there? What is over there? Do you like snow? Do you like snow? When will they arrive? When will they arrive? What will you do on Friday? What will you do on Friday? Will you go by train? Will you go by train? Is this your bike? Is this your bike? Has something happened? Has something happened? Who left the door open? Who left the door open? Can you answer this? Can you answer this? Can you tell me the way? Can you tell me the way? Will it rain tomorrow? Will it rain tomorrow? Are you ready to go out? Are you ready to go out? Where can I get a taxi? Where can I get a taxi? Did you see him go out? Did you see him go out? Can you come? Can you come? How about tomorrow? How about tomorrow? Will you please help me? Will you please help me? When can we eat? When can we eat? What do you want? What do you want? Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Where do you live? Where do you live? May I borrow your car? May I borrow your car? How about a cup of tea? How about a cup of tea? Has he failed again? Has he failed again? When did you buy it? When did you buy it? Will she come? Will she come? Who is playing the guitar? Who is playing the guitar? Can you help me? Can you help me? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Where will we meet? Where will we meet? Has he arrived already? Has he arrived already? What do you need? What do you need? Didn't you go out? Didn't you go out? Would you like to wait? Would you like to wait? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Do you like snow? Do you like snow? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.